We're here with another Codewars challenge. This one's a level 8. We're doing it in Python, and it's called Correct the Mistakes of the Character Recognition Software. And as always, there's a link to the challenge in the show notes if you want to try it out before watching the video. All right, so let's get started. Character recognition software is widely used to digitize printed text. Thus, the text can be edited, searched, and stored on a computer. Let's see. Okay, so your task is to correct the errors in the digitized text. You only have to handle the following mistakes. S is misrepresented as a 5. 0 is so the letter O is misrepresented as 0. I is misinterpreted as a 1. All right, so I guess we got to swap all these out. So this should be pretty straightforward. Basically, we're just going to create a dictionary and see how that does. Okay, so we have a string and all the characters in there. Let's see if you look at the tests here. Okay, so London zeros, we got to turn those into O's, and the ones we got to turn into I's, and so on and so forth. Okay, cool. All right, so let's have a mistakes dictionary. And so 0 is going to be O. And otherwise, let's see. S is, okay, so a 5 is an S. These probably need to be strings too. Okay, so because we're going to read these in as strings, so we'll wrap that in quotes. So that'll be a string as well. And then finally, a 1. It needs to swap to an I. Okay, so let's do this. We're going to recreate the string from the list of characters. So we're going to join a list of characters. So S. All right, so char for char and S. Okay, so now here we need to do, this is kind of a trick. So you have a dictionary, so mistakes.get, right? So we can get the character and we can default to actually returning the character if we don't actually find it. So I don't even know if this is going to work. Let's see. Let's return that, test it out. Hey, not too bad. Okay, so basically dictionaries have a method called get, and we're trying to get the character off of here. And if it's in the dictionary, it'll return the actual value. And if it's not in the dictionary, we're defaulting to the original character itself. So let's do a full submission here. And good enough for jazz.